Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is Shay from Kaoiasmakeup. This will be my first ever makeup video, makeup tutorial on YouTube. For today we'll be doing a smoky eye with a bold lip. So if you're interested in how this look turned out, keep on watching. And you're watching Kaoiasmakeup. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off by priming my eyelids, and I'm gonna use Evolution Conceal and Define. The color is C11. It's like a really light shade for me, but you know, we're gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids. And if y'all hear my dogs in the background barking, please excuse them. This fluffy brush. And then I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. I did my brows off camera if you guys are wondering. If you guys would like a tutorial on how I do my brows, let me know. So now I'm gonna take my Take Me to Brazil palette, and then do I want to start out with black? Actually, no, I'm not. So I'm gonna take this shade right here with this brush. I think I got these off Amazon. So I'm just gonna pat it in. That's good enough. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette, this little one right here. I'm taking the same brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix this shade and that shade, this shade and that shade, and put it into my crease. Blend those edges out, because you don't want no harsh edges now. You don't want that. Y'all see that blend? Y'all see that blend? You see that? Keep on blending, just keep on blending, blending. Blending. I might as well put the highlighter in my brow bone, so I'm gonna just take this and I'm gonna take the excess off. Y'all may not see it, but I see it. This don't that matter. Oh, y'all see it, y'all see it. I'm gonna put a little more. I don't like it to be like, you know, blinded. I'm gonna go ahead and take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Put it right here, you know. I think I should have did the black face, but you know what? Ain't no turning back now. It is what it is. I'll make it work. Now you want to be careful when you add this black, because it could turn out into a mess. So you want to add a little at a time, so you're able to blend it, you know? Blend it out. Back in, if true. My BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette again. With, you know, that black shade. I'm gonna take another brush from Amazon, pack it on, you know, just tap, tap. Pack it on, pack it on, pack it on. I can't get you out of my head. I'm going back in with this orange shade. I'm just gonna, you know. This is where it gets serious, because you know you gotta add and blend with the black and blend more black. You could do circular one too. I don't know, I do both. See? You know, I was always scared to do this, but I'm actually liking this. This is coming out cute. I was so scared. Like, so y'all see the orange, the gradient effect. So I'm not taking any more product. I'm just blending it. I'm just gonna add a tad bit more orange because I just want to blend a little more, but you don't have to. I mean, okay, I think I'm good for the eye. I'm done with my eyes for right now until I add my lashes, but I don't add my lashes now. I like to do my lashes after. I take this. It's Maybelline New York Expert Eyes Oil for washable eye shadow, washable take cotton balls. A little bit on there, and then clean under my eyes. So, ow! So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this NYX Honey Do Me Up. It's alright. My hand ashy. Like, I already, you know, I just, you know, primed. The foundation I use is the Matte and Poreless in the shade Nutmeg 365. I really like this foundation, and I feel like if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But finish, I'm gonna test out some more foundation. But right now, I had just bought a new bottle like a month ago, so hey, when it finish, it finish. I'm just making sure everything's, you know, blended. Blended. Take Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I am in the color Deep. And I highlight. So I don't know. Some people, I feel like some people just do too much. So I do this. And then for a little, you know, I'm going back in with the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Divine, and I'm gonna go lighter. So I'll go back in. Put that right there. Oh, I'm gonna do that. That was an accident. I take my Black Opal True Match Stick in the color Ebony Brown, and I use this to contour. So I'll take it, you know, and then
I don't know why I did that. I just like doing it. Down my nose like that. And my forehead here. Cause my forehead's huge.
I don't really like beauty blenders, but my favorite brush is dirty right now, so hey, use what you can. Blend like your life depends on it. Yeah, a lot of my brushes are dirty, so I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So usually I don't use this brush, but I'm gonna use it today. What I do now is I'll take my Black Opal Setting True Match powder in the color Medium. Oh, I need a sponge. And then, I'm sorry y'all, I get real oily. So then I take my And I don't know, I think this is the translucent powder. And I'll take this. This is the Ruby Kisses mineral powder. I'm just gonna sweep it here, sweep it under, sweep it, you know, sweep, sweep. And take these two shades and I'm just gonna sweep that underneath too. Just to smoke it out a little more. Mario Badescu, he never fails me, I'm sorry. Can't help it. I'm just gonna. I'm gonna put a little blush in my contour brush. So I'm gonna just take these two shades and mix them together. Highlight. So I'm just gonna. Okay, so I went ahead and I added my lashes off camera. So now I think I want to do something with these ColourPop lipsticks. I'm not sure. Let me see. Let me see. So this is the final look, and if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and make sure you turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.